So hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm recording this video at 8 p.m. because the reason being I woke up very late today. I didn't wake up by my own, but Rizwan came to my home to wake me up because the previous day I slept like around 4 a.m. So I just didn't wake up. They called me a lot of times, but I didn't wake up, and because of that I was just feeling very tired the whole day. But now let's talk about the day that as I woke up, I just got ready, took my laptop, and then we went to Gama Stadium. So there we go. We are here at Gama Stadium, but specifically we are here at football ground because the basketball one is occupied. So right now we are with these boys, Munibur Rahman, Gani the Bankai, Affan the Chhapri, and Rizwan the Gully Boy. So now we are playing some badminton, and Rizwan will record because today he is the cameraman for us. So let's start. These bad dance make it hurt.
So 1-0 here, and
Now they are just playing. The shuttle dropped in the middle, and now Munib threw. Affan missed, and now
2-0,
Affan serviced, and again missed.
3-0,
Commentary नहीं हो रही सर.
and now as you can see, Afan has missed his third one. He's got a game, and Afan has a comeback now. Nice game, and Afan misses again. लगता है इतनी तारीफ अच्छी नहीं लगी. Now Afan services. Munib strikes again, and Afan with a foul. That one was a foul though. And now here the game begins as both death staring each other. Why are you going down, bro? Why are you going down? And bro is being an anime nerd now, doing Demon Slayer shit, and he services and Rizwan miss. Rizwan services and Mars left it over. That's a weird game. Mars services. Rizwan strikes again. Good rotation in between, and Rizwan lost because of he couldn't land his feet. And Rizwan misses again. 2-0. Mars runs for it. Rizwan runs for it too. Mars, great rotation in between, and Mars goes off, and it's a great goal by Rizwan. It's a 2-1 now. Great run by Rizwan, and it's a equalizer. And it's an equalizer by Rizwan. Great hit by Rizwan. And Mars misses again.
2-3.
That's a 2-3. Mars strikes. Rizwan comes in rotating. Rizwan is on fire right now, dominating his opponent. It's a 2-4 streak. Oh. Now Mars is about to go angry, and he misses. And he misses. There was a point, but let's good strike rotation, and Rizwan has got 5-3 now. It's a point, bro. So Mars doesn't allow it, so it's 3-5 now. Mars, it's a point, bro. It's 6-3 now. Rizwan lit. Literally dominating. And Rizwan. What the heck was that? Rizwan with the service, Maaz with the rotation, and Rizwan misses. It's 6-5 now. Light, bro. Oh, with Mars, Mars with a power strike, and it's a foul. Nil. Mars services. Munib's shuttle didn't reach it, so it was far. It was far, so it will be considered a null. Both having a great rotation, and Mars has failed to capture the shuttle, and it was a foul. Mars services. Munib misses, and he's in grief. He's in pain right now. 1-2. It's true too. I think Munib is going to come back now, and it's a good one by Mars. And Mars with his emotes again. Munib is crying again. It's a point, and Munib is whining like a little baby. Mars on its second winning streak.
What?
How are you feeling, bro?
Feeling great. Gym advantage. After making you lose.
Bro was whining.
He says height advantage. You say gym advantage. Like what I'm doing by my own. You have mud advantage. Bro giving motivational speech. Guys, don't believe in anyone else. Just believe in yourself, and you will make him lose anyone.
Pakistani
World Cup champion. Bye. Chalo.
So next 1v1 is going to.
Now Afan and Abdul Ghani is playing. Afan serviced. Abdul Ghani hit that. Afan threw that. And now Abdul Ghani missed that. What an epic moment! What an amazing moment, bro! Now again, he's going to serve. Now he took off his shoes, and now he's getting very aggressive. Here, while Afan is just chilling out there. Now Abdul Ghani has served. Afan hit that. Abdul Ghani missed that. What an epic moment, bro! Keep up, keep it up. Now, Afan has missed now. How are you feeling? Yeah, Abdul Ghani again missed that. So after the matches, we were just taking some pictures, and then we decided that what's the plan for now. So we decided that at the end of the day, we decided that we will go for some breakfast. So yeah, then we went for some breakfast. So there we go. We are here doing some breakfast, like waiting for some breakfast with these boys: Abdul Ghani, Munib, Rizwan the Chapri, and Afan the toilet paper. So we have ordered like 5 parathas, 2 teas, and 5 eggs. And let's see how it goes. We will do some breakfast, and then we will head to Afan's home, and there we will do some things I will tell in the vlog. So for now, wait for some breakfast, and then we will go. So after the breakfast, we just went to Afan's home because I had some work regarding the After Effects, the editing work, obviously. So I didn't record anything because I was, just getting late. So I thought I just, should go to home because I was not feeling well. I didn't go to gym as well because I was resting the whole day. But now, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And next clip is of the bloopers. So don't forget to check out. Bye.